Did you know that Switzerland produces some of the world's finest chocolate? But few people know the secret behind its irresistible taste. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Switzerland is a mesmerizing country known for picturesque landscapes, pristine lakes, and alpine ranges. Yet among its marvels, one stands out more delectable than the rest: Swiss chocolate. Renowned globally for its creamy texture and exquisite taste, Swiss chocolate traces its roots back to the 19th century, when Swiss chocolatiers revolutionized chocolate-making methods and set a high standard in the confectionery world. The journey through Swiss chocolate begins in the quaint town of Vevey, where the world-famous Cailler chocolate factory stands. Founded in 1819 by François-Louis Cailler, Cailler is Switzerland's oldest chocolate brand. Visitors to the factory are treated to an immersive experience where the history of chocolate is told through interactive displays and sampling opportunities of their world-renowned creations, including the iconic Frigor and Branch chocolate bars. Traveling further, the town of Broc awaits, where Maison Cailler, a part of Nestlé since 1929, continues to delight chocolate lovers. At Maison Cailler, the chocolate-making process is a meticulously curated tour. Visitors are taken through a sensory journey that combines the rich aroma of cocoa with the captivating sight of chocolate bars being molded and packaged. Here, connoisseurs can also engage in chocolate workshops. Continuing the chocolate pilgrimage, one must visit Läderach, situated near the pristine waters of Lake Zurich. Known for its premium fresh chocolates, Läderach brings forth a philosophy of freshness and quality. At Läderach's chocolate boutiques, visitors can savor delicate pralines and discover frisch shogi, fresh chocolate slabs adorned with an array of nuts, fruits, and decadent fillings. A journey to Swiss chocolate factories would be incomplete without a stop at Lindt and Sprüngli, an iconic name in the chocolate fraternity. Situated in Kilchberg near Zurich, the Lindt Home of Chocolate offers a grand exhibition megaplex. From the history of Lindt's legendary gold-wrapped chocolate bunnies to the mesmerizing, free-flowing chocolate fountain, Lindt offers a truly awe-inspiring glimpse into their craft. The highlight for many visitors is the chocolate tasting room, a paradise where unlimited samples beckon the taste buds. Another noteworthy destination is the city of Bern, home to Toblerone, the triangular chocolate bar with a taste as distinct as its shape. Toblerone's journey is interwoven with Swiss heritage. Finally, in the region of Appenzell, a lesser-known gem, Shogiland, a wonderland created by Maestrani, offers an engaging glimpse into family-friendly chocolate adventures. Here, the story of chocolate comes to life through interactive games, tastings, and workshops, presenting the opportunity for visitors to unleash their creativity in chocolate creation. In essence, a trek through Switzerland's chocolate factories is more than just a sensory voyage. It is an homage to the creativity, passion, and artistry of Swiss chocolatiers. Through history-rich narratives and lush, creamy delicacies, Swiss chocolate offers a timeless journey, one that captivates not only the palate, but also the heart. Did you enjoy this video? Subscribe to the channel and explore more amazing destinations with us. Don't forget to check the links in the description for exclusive travel deals and resources to plan your next adventure. And don't miss out. Watch the next video for more incredible journeys.